the clutch would not disengage when I was riding, and I couldn't get it neutral when I was at a stoplight, any stoplights, while there was tension on the transmission, I guess, and the clutch. And I noticed that a nice person actually who was helping with knows BMW pointed out that and the lever was not returning all the way, which, as you can see, it's still not. This should be way up there. Not wide open. This isn't even try. Now this is me adjusting this so that there is 8 inches, which is measured by this little stick I made. Simply two coffee stirrer type things taped together between the back of the transmission and the ball of the lever. This is just touching the ball. So I'm going to try to tighten that nut. At the back of the transmission. This version of the transmission, according to the Haynes manual, has this spring, return spring, inside that little boot, I think, according to the diagram. Not normally the older ones have an extra spring below. Not extra, but the spring is actually outside, visible. Here it's inside along the shaft, obviously, inside that boot, I believe. So I'm going to try to tighten that up now. A way of saying 8 inches between the two. 7.91 to 7.99, which is essentially 8 inches. I believe all this dialogue is saying the back of the gearbox and the back edge, the ball at the end of that cable lever. So when I get there, tighten the handlebar adjustment lock nut, which is the same thing Chris said. So guess what I'm going to do? Tightening the lock nut. One thing I'll tell you about the chrome bikes is that it's a lot easier to see shit. As you can see, this is like fucking crazy way off. Totally loose. But that I think has to be handled by with below. Lock that out, bolt in. Free plate, it still looks shitty. It's like not even drawing it in. Oh shit, look at that. Look what I just found. Where's my light? Hold on. How does it look? Oh yeah. So there's a good reason why there was a problem. All of a sudden there's a problem. Okay. That's what I was wondering. Like it was been riding okay and all this time. Suddenly it started acting weird yesterday. So the adjustment went out when all of a sudden these other little wires finally the last one snapped enough that it started making a problem. So that's what I was angry. That's why I'm not angry, but upset about making all these adjustments down here, up there, down here. And then it turns out and something like that, and was overall in decent alignment. But now it's all out of alignment because I did this, rather than just replacing the fucking cable. That's filthy in there too, by the way. Okay, well that was very enlightening, to say the least. Worked. Yes. No. Oh, that's how. There's a slot there it comes out of. That's why it looked impossible, because you didn't know there was a slot. So once this is free, this can come out of here because there's a slot there. So you push this back off the cable, pull this out, and then it comes out of the cable hole, out of the slot. Just to remind myself where that was. Easy. You don't want that falling down. This one had a washer behind it. I would say someone started doing it and then dropped it and said, "Oh, fuck it." So this might come off. No, it's being held on by these guys now. And some other force? No, it's loose. Just these things. There we go. Very interesting. Look at the size of that thing. Now, back to the original job. I can actually see what I'm doing better. Where were we? Here. No, that's not it. Not yet. It's down there. There we go. So this laces through here. And I'm going to do that straight away before I forget how it worked. No, not there. Over here. Pushing here, comes out there. Now I'm supposed to be greasing something. Remember that's there. Remind me where I put that later, when I forget. Grease, that's over there. So there's the old one and the new one. So the new one has to go like so. Requires two hands here. Behind this post, but in front of the tank. Behind the horn. There we go. So do it again. This was tied to here. This comes around here, fits in there, like so, and this will fit in there. Fantastic. Told to unscrew the adjuster all the way. So we'll now pull this out. Take out this little sleeve someone made. And unscrew this. Unscrew means this way. Fantastic. So according to Ken, this was inside here and possibly not rotating as it should. I wonder if it goes that way or that way. Or maybe it doesn't matter. This one that's being pulled. It ends up fatiguing that compared to this way, where it sort of had a room to give. Maybe it doesn't matter. Probably doesn't matter. Because this is going to be there. Pulling. This goes like that, and then that goes up there. That's how it works. Got it. Just took a little bit of figuring out there. Don't make it difficult. Oh, dumbass. That goes through there. Okay. Alrighty. No, that's alright. I'll do it again. Hey, practice makes perfect. Shit. Okay. Out. Sorry, my bad. And oh, hang on, dumbass. I gotta do this first. Okay, I want to grease it anyways. So that's handy. Okay, you go in there. You go in there. You go in there. This looks a lot better. Let's try that again. Squirt. And apply. Yes. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. It's acting exactly like he said it would. I think. Ball. Where's the thing? There we go. Oh, how did it get up there? Oh, that's right. I was fucking with it. It goes in there. It goes like so. Now this is not a pry bar, but I'm going to use it like that. Oh boy. There's some heavy duty tension down there. There we go. Slipped. There we go. Okay. Let's see how that looks up there. Unbelievably, it's almost perfect. $2 mil. It seems almost right. It seems the bottom says it's supposed to be 8 inches. Or it's supposed to be this measured stick distance according to the video. From there to there. And it actually is. Unbelievably. That's almost like beyond amazing. Okay, it's a little bit too big. Because that was fucking incredible. Yeah, that's a little too long. It's very close though. Test this again. Yeah, it's getting tighter. It's way tighter. Made a huge difference. Well, this measure, doing both doesn't help me figure out which one's which. That's dumb. I'm going to go clockwise, which is this one. And they were shorter. Back where it was originally. Yeah, I think that is better. Yes. No, it's going the wrong way. Counterclockwise. Yeah, that's better. It's almost there. This one. That's it. It's right there. Maybe put one little turn back. Unlock it there. Check. Okay. As he said, don't go bunkers, just tighten it up. It's just touching. Not to loosen. Right there. He said you hold it and then you can do this. It's supposed to be 2 millimeters, it's more, but it's not horrible.